Hello guys, today we work with this worksheet. We have to write it down on our notebook. Remember, put the date on your notebook. To, Today is Thursday 9th of June 2022 and la vamos a leer y la vamos a escribir. Here we go. We're going to the movies. My class is going to the movies on a field trip next week. We have to get permission slips signed before we go. We also need to ask our parents if they will drive to the movie theater. We are going to see a movie that tells the story from a book we read. We love it when movies are made from books. It is fun to compare the movie to the book. I usually like the book better. That happened to me too. Okay, when we get to the movie early so we can buy popcorn. Some of us buy candy and slushes too. We all enjoy watching the movie. When we return to the school, we talk about things that were in the movie and the book. The movie and book are similar. We all agree that we like the book better, though. Books let you picture the characters any way you want to, anyone you want to picture them. Okay? Well, they talking about movies that are related or that are based on a book. Películas que han sido hechas a base de un libro. Así que, dicen aquí que casi siempre les gustan más los libros que las movies. Entonces, that happened to me too. Eso me pasa a mí también. I like the book better than the movie. So, vamos a escribirla en nuestra libreta. Write it down. Let's read it. Vamos a leerla. And then we're going to try to answer the questions. First, what do the students need to do before going to the movie? ¿Se acuerdan que estamos viendo ese going? Number 2, what is fun to compare? Number 3, what do the students like better, the movie or the book? And what do books let you do? Okay, well, I'll see you later and finish your work. Bye bye.